What's going on, guys? Welcome back. My name is AJ and you're watching the Bimmerdude Garage, and in today's video we're going to be working on the E46 M3 because Kansei Wheels has sent us out a brand new set of wheels for the E46 and I want to get them installed on the car today. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on the road right now. We're going to get the tires mounted on the new wheels so that we can put them on the car today. I was originally going to be having one of those mobile tire companies to come out and install the tires in front of my driveway for me, but it seems like I may have been a little too late. They like to close up early on Saturdays and I wasn't able to schedule up, so that's okay. We're going to go ahead and support my tire sponsors, Central Tires, a tire company out here in Houston that sponsored my last set of tires on the Kansei Wheels. Now, obviously times are hard right now, so they couldn't really extend the offer like they did before. So I'm gonna go ahead and support them the best way that we can. I'm running the same exact wheel spec, but I'm running a slightly narrower tire spec for the front, a 255, 35, 18. So it should shape up pretty well. Before I had a lot of tire rub, and I wanted to kind of get away from that because I do like to ride with a really meaty, aggressive wheel fitment, and I don't want any rubbing. So we're almost there. Bring you guys along for the ride. If you're in the Houston area, make sure you guys go check out Central Tire and let them know Bimmerdude sent you. Huh?
Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Samuel. It's very easy to my shop, Central Tires 1464. Any wheel or tire needs that you may come across, contact me.
Can't wait to get these home, guys. Get them installed. Sorry that I didn't do it here, but I didn't bring the non-extended lug studs, so we can't put them on E46 because they won't fit. So we'll do it at home. Just be sure you guys come check out my boy over here.
Anything y'all need, man. Learning how to put these valve stems on.
Yeah,
learning
man.
Every day, man.
Everything. And y'all do wheel repair too, right?
Wheel repair, ceramic coatings, all that stuff.
Oh, it's probably a good time for ceramic coatings. Good time. There's a cap right here. I'm gonna grab it. What's that, boy? catching over here, BSA. What's up? Ooh, ouch, hurt my leg. What do you guys think, guys? I don't know. I can't decide. I'm really feeling these wheels, but something in particular, this yellow accent I did by myself. I cut all the letters out by hand. I don't know if I should keep this look or that look. You guys let me know down in the comment section down below, or you can vote right here on the poll. Tell me what you think. Should I do this side or that side? Still deciding. I don't know.
Dark days turning into dark nights. I hit the strip and spend it all, I'm having hard times. I reminiscing at me looking through the archives. I seen a picture of you looking like a star shines. And you're bright, 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 like the lights on a fight night, night. Love hit me like a mic, mic, mic. You know I'ma get it right, right, right. So stay with me. Run away.
Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys like today's video. If you like today's video, go down to the comment section down below. Let me know what you like and what you dislike. And if you like the new wheels over the old wheels, let me know that. If you like the old wheels over the new wheels, let me know that down there as well. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button right next to it. Hit that alert button so you can be alerted every time I upload a video. I am so thrilled with this new look. It is completely different than the old setup. The old setup was more of a racy setup, and this one is a lot more flashy. And I gotta say, I really kind of like it. It's really starting to grow on me. Let me know what you guys think about it. For those of you out there interested in your own set of Kansei wheels, make sure you go follow Kansei on Instagram. Ask for Chris or Brian if you happen to find yourself wanting a set of Kansei wheels. Let them know that Bimmerdude sent you. Anyway guys, I really want to thank you guys for watching the Bimmerdude channel, and as always guys, peace out and Godspeed guys.